Hello, welcome back to Blender Studio Live Noding. In this episode, I want to share with you this creation. It's basically like a kind of like a bottle sauce, or like a could be like a potion bottle. So basically, it's something really trivial, and you can definitely make all kind of variations based on this, unlimited variations actually. But it's really simple and something that you can try yourself. Since we don't have Revolve yet with geometry nodes, currently the setup is using Curve to Mesh. So we've done this a couple of times, and so let's see. Let me explain what's going on. So we have like some kind of like a bottle. We have the cap and the bottle itself being separated and then given a different material. Okay, so like I said, the one that's doing the job is Curve to Mesh. So we have, I started with a simple lines that's being resampled, and it's up to you how many times you want to resample it, and it's gonna change the shape of this bottle. There's also this fillet that's currently it's off. If you turn this on, it might give you like an interesting shape. It's up to you whether you want to use this. Maybe turn it off for now. So that's gonna be like the stem for the bottle, and then you have this thing coming in. This is like the sweep shape of the bottle, which is currently it's a circle. You can change this to anything, but I think circle is nice, simple shapes. And the radius is being controlled by 3 different vector. So we have like random value, and then we have noise. We can also distort the noise, and then we also have this curve to control the shape of the bottle. So 3 different vectors. So and then we have this separate geometry that's separating the cap and the bottle itself. So currently I have something that's probably a little bit strange. What I really want here with the index and greater than, this is the index of the face. I want to actually get just the top or the bottom part. I don't know a better way to do this. Currently it's just either we keep changing the value here, just to get the first and the last selection of the face. I'm just gonna leave it like this for now, I guess. And we have the cap and the glass material based on this separate geometry. So we get this result. For the top and the bottom, you might notice I have this scaling and also offset if we want to. And after the geometry nodes, we have smooth and solidify. So, and there's a shade smooth. So the setup is simple, but also quite robust. I think it definitely can be made a little bit better, but it couldn't be anything. It could be like a lamp, for example. If we can just get the top or the bottom part using this value. Yeah, currently it's a little bit strange, but I guess this should be, you can kind of get the idea. Maybe this can be improved in the future, but for now it's okay, doesn't matter. Okay, so if we go back to the original, yeah, it's a, I call it like a soy sauce bottle. Could be a vase. You can manipulate the setup to get different shapes. If you want to have like variations, let's actually do that. Let's first of all remove the bevel, so it's a little bit faster. Gonna create a couple, and then here we're gonna use group input. You simply look at the green color lines, and then you pipe the value that you want to have variations. For example, this noise, yeah, this one will add variations, and also randomizations. The seed can go out, so this also give a lot of variations. Maybe this value, minimum, maximum. So this goes out. This is for the overall shape of the bottle. So this is the minimum, maximum. Of course, the color of the bottle also can be manipulated. Where's the seed? This is the noise. Maybe we don't change the sampling of the bottle much. We keep it the same, like 36. Okay, the height of the bottle, definitely that's something that needs to go out. Maybe for simplicity, just use this. Directions and length. Okay. So now we can control the length of the bottle. This bottle is probably too large. It's in meters. We can scale it. So it's a little bit like a bottle, but it could also be like a candle, and the bottom part. It's all controlled by the separations. Yeah, it could be like a candle, but I like to keep it like a bottle. Soy sauce bottle. Could be a potion. But anyhow, what else? Okay, this is using cycles. There's a shadow catcher at the bottom. And since we are in here, we can use shader. Select the glass material and just use random per island, and try this. Plug this into the hue. This goes into the color. Cycles. Okay, I think probably use object random. Yeah, some kind of procedural color potion. It seems to be working on Eevee as well. It's not too bad. Cycles probably better for this kind of thing. It's very simple and trivial, but something you can play around with, and you can improve this setup in the future, making it more robust. But yeah, hopefully you find this useful. Thanks again for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.